Next, our topic is the issues in the RFID. So let us see what are the various kinds of issues will arise while using this RFID tags. First one is the design issues. Designing a unique ID system needs a standard global framework. If you are using the unique ID of RFID systems, then we must need a standard global framework. Second one is the security issues. A tag is read only. It can thus interact with any reader and thus allow automated external monitoring. So hence your tag is read only. It should not interact with any other readers. If it is interact with other readers, it should be automatically, we have to identify the functionality of that tag. A tag can be tracked without authority. So in the security issues, whatever the tag we are using, it should be tracked without authority. Without the authority usage, it should not be tracked. A privacy issue arises when a tag and reader need not to be authenticated before their use. A privacy issues also arises when a tag and a reader need not to be authenticated before their use. So this privacy issues is also one of a very important. Without this, it should not be used. Full implementation of a privacy and security needs data processing at the tag and reader with access, encryption and authentication algorithms. So whenever we are implementing these tags with the privacy and security needs, data protection at the tags and the reader with access of encryption and algorithms has to be used. Another issue is that RFID system can be vulnerable to external virus attacks. So one more issues of this RFID systems are that these viruses attacks. It should be protected from that virus attacks also. Third issue is a cost. RFID tag and reader become costly with data processing and security enhancing technology. If you see this, it is these tags and readers are very costly whenever we are processing the data and security enhancing technologies. Protection issues. The tag need protection from adverse weather condition which may damage the tag. So this tag is also need to be protected from the weather issues. If you don't follow the proper precautions, the tag may be damaged because of these weather conditions. Recycling issues. Recycling of the tag can be an environmental concern. So recycling of a tag means it is depends upon the tag which we are using. It should be environmental concern. So based on that environmental concern, we have to make the usage of that RFID tags. Active life issues. So here one more issue is active life issues. If you observe the active RFID, which consists of a battery, has limited life of up to 2 to 4 years. So if you are using the active RFID which possesses of a battery, its life is only of between 2 to 4 years. After the 2 to 4 years, it is need not to be used. So we have to find whether we can recycle that RFID tags. And our next topic is EPC Global Architecture Framework. EPC stands for Electronic Product Code. MIT Auto ID Lab is a group which consists of research laboratories of 7 universities. This MIT Auto ID Lab consists of research laboratories of 7 universities. The group has designed an architectural framework for IoT. So this group has designed the architectural framework for IoTs. The group work in the field of networked RFIDs and emerging sensing technologies. This group is working in the field of networked RFIDs and emerging sensing technologies. The group works together with EPC Global Research Group. Also, this group is working with EPC Global Research Groups. The group has suggested that electronic product code standards, roles and architectures. This group is also suggested that EPC standards, roles and architecture. The goal of the EPC Global Architectural Framework is assignment of a unique identity. The main goal of this EPC Global Architectural Framework is assignment of unique identity. So it has to provide different identity, not as a similar identity, unique identity. The framework facilitates business processes, applications and service uniquely identifying physical objects, loads, locations, assets and other entities. The main framework facilitates the business process applications and services uniquely identifying physical objects, loads, locations, assets and entities.